Look at this. Well, I went to put Sam in her cupcake little outfit that I bought at Target, and I noticed that the skirt was an attached bloomers. Now, I wish that they wouldn't have done that, because, you know, it's going to be a little bit harder to change her if she was a real baby, you know? I mean, I really think that they should have had snaps at the bottom of the pants. This is what I'm talking about. See? There's no snaps. Therefore, you know, you really, if you had a real baby, obviously, you'd have to take the whole pants off, which sucks. But, here's her in her little tiny hat. I bought that from, Kmart when I went to Kmart. And the bow is from a place that I bought online, Little Noggin. They had a whole bunch of bows, like 5 of them for sale. And they come in different colors. And there's the cupcake. She has the cupcake shirt. She has another onesie underneath because she has 3/4 arms, therefore her cloth body is showing, so I don't want her to show. And I've noticed that she doesn't fit into newborn. Newborn is too tiny for her, but yet 3 months is too big. So I'm like, I don't care, I'll just buy her 3 months. I missed her shoe. Her shoe is gone. I don't know where it is. I gotta find it. So this is the shoe that she came with when Pammy went and gave her to me. And those are her little feet. See? It's great detail that Pammy did. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And look at this. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. I don't see any veining on her. I wish she had veining on her. I don't think she went and veined her like she said she would. She didn't vein her. Paid $250 for her, which was not bad. I mean, her details on her face. Oh, she's adorable. She reminds me of my little son when he was born. Nicholas had the same face. Alright, well, just wanted to show you. I have another video that I'm going to post too, me singing to Sam. It's just a few songs. A little bit is made up using another song from The Lion King, and then me singing the Lion King song, and a few other songs. So, just, I don't know, some, you know, my own little thing. Alrighty, well, take care.